welcome to another geotechnical engineering lab experiment. Today we are going to determine the CBR value of given soil sample. Basically CBR means California Bearing Ratio. It was developed by California State Highway Department of United States of America. Basically this CBR value is used for evaluation of subgrade strength of highway pavements and airfield pavements. Here, what do you mean by CBR? CBR is defined as the ratio of load per unit area required to penetrate a soil mass by a standard plunger at a specified rate to that corresponding required for penetration of a standard material. We can say it in the formula. CBR can be calculated by the particular formula. Unit load carried by a soil specimen at a standard penetration, it may be either 2.5 mm penetration or 5 mm penetration, divided by unit load carried by a standard cross stone at standard penetration multiplied by 100. This test we are going to perform as per the IS code 2720 part 16 1987, and the results of this test are going to determine the thickness of the subgrade to be used in the design of pavements. The apparatus required for this experiment.
Okay, sir.
Now let us know what are the apparatus required to perform this experiment. Here we are having a cylindrical mold of internal diameter 150 mm and height of 175 mm. We are having a detachable base plate having perforations at the bottom. You can see the perforations are there at the bottom, and it is 10 mm thick. We are having a extension collar of same internal diameter 150 mm or 15 cm and 5 cm high or 50 mm high. We are having a spacer disc. You can see this is a spacer disc of internal diameter 148 mm and height is 47.7 mm, having a threaded hole at the bottom at one side. There is a threaded hole. This is a spacer disc. These are the annular weights or surcharge weight. These are of 2.5 kg each weight, and the internal diameter of this annular hole is 53 mm. These are the slotted weights of mass 2.5 kg each. We are having two compaction rammers. One compaction rammer is for light compaction. This one is for heavy compaction. This is used in modified proctor test. This is used in standard proctor test. We are having the hammer of weight 2.6 kg inside 2.6 kg, and the free fall is 31 cm. Here the rammer weight inside is 4.89 kg, and the height of the free fall is 45 cm. Here from here free fall is 45 cm. We are having a measuring cylinder. We are having soil mass which has passed 20 mm IS sieve, and we have taken 6 kg of the soil sample. Straight edge. Now let us know how to perform the procedure. This procedure basically consists of two parts. One is preparing the soil specimen. Second one is the penetration test through the CBR setup, CBR lab experiment setup. In order to prepare the soil specimen, first we are going to grease it properly, the base plate. Over it we are going to keep a spacer disc. Now we will be keeping this spacer disc with the threaded hole facing the bottom side. Above it we will be keeping this mold after greasing it completely in order to avoid the stickiness of the soil to the cylinder. After that, we will be fixing the extension collar. Now above it we are going to keep a filter paper. You can come and see. Above it we have to keep a filter paper or here. Now this soil which we have taken, we have to, this soil is basically air dried and passed through 20 millimeter IR sieve. We have to apply the OMC amount of water content into it. We have initially calculated the OMC and NDD of this soil by the help of standard Proctor test. So we will be mixing the amount of water that is equal to OMC, optimum moisture content, and mix it thoroughly to form a uniform mixture. After that, we will be filling this cylindrical mold in 3 layers, and each layer must be given 56 number of blows if it is performed by the small rammer having a height of 2.6 kg, and it will be given 56 number of blows will be uniformly sprayed. In this manner, it will be uniformly sprayed over the entire area. And in 3 layers we are going to perform the experiment so that the soil must come up, above the mold, and it will penetrate around 10 millimeter above the extension collar from the bottom. After that we will be removing the extension collar and trimming the upper surface, and then we will be taking the compaction mold, CBR mold along with the soil, compacted soil specimen, and measuring the mass of the soil specimen compacted along with this cylinder in the weighing balance. Then the surface which is having go for heavy compaction, we are going to apply the compacting weight in such a manner with the help of heavy rammer that is having a weight of 4.89 kg and a free fall of 45 cm. We will be compacting the soil specimen in 5 number of layers, and each layer is given 75 number of blows uniformly distributed along the soil present inside the CBR mold. After measuring the mass of the soil compacted along with this CBR mold, we will be removing the spacer disc. We will be cleaning the surface. Above it we will be keeping a filter paper. The surface of the mold will be kept above it in this manner. Now above the soil specimen we will be fixing the extension collar above the cylindrical mold. Now above it we will be keeping annular weight or surcharge weight of 2.5 kg in this manner. Now we will be taking this to the CBR machine. We will be performing the CBR experiment. We will be keeping this mold and extension collar along with the soil sample, compacted soil sample, here on a pedestal. This is a proving ring having a dial gauge, and this is a penetration dial gauge. This is going to show you what is the amount of penetration in millimeter. Here it is going to show you the load applied in kg converted into kilonewton. It can also be converted into kilonewton. This is a penetration plunger. You can come and see. This is a penetration plunger. Here the internal diameter is 50 millimeter. The internal diameter of the cylindrical penetration plunger is 50 millimeter, and the height is 100 millimeter, 10 centimeter. The height is 10 centimeter. Now once we have kept after keeping an annular weight, we will be applying also a slotted weight. This is also of mass 2.5 kg. Each weight, whether it is slotted weight or annular weight, it represents 70 millimeter of height of thickness of the soil in the field. Now how are we going to take the reading? Basically we will be noting down the penetration in millimeter and corresponding dial gauge reading from this entire experiment once we apply the load at the rate of 1.25 millimeter per minute penetration. We will be checking the load dial gauge reading at penetration of 0 millimeter, penetration of 0.5, 1 millimeter, 1.5, 2 millimeter, 2.5, 3 millimeter, 4 millimeter, 5 millimeter, 7.5, 10 millimeter and 12.5 millimeter. So you must be thinking how to know what is the penetration 0.5 millimeter. Basically you can see clearly here right now the penetration is 0 millimeter. Once it goes half of the total reading, this becomes 0.5 millimeter. Here it becomes 0.5 millimeter. After that, when a complete rotation is obtained, it is 1 millimeter at here. Now next one is 1.5. This is you can see 2 complete rotation is equal to 2 millimeter. Next this one is 2.5 millimeter. Okay, now at penetration of 0.5 millimeter, like this, at penetration of 0.5 millimeter you will be checking what is the dial gauge reading in this entire proving ring. You have to calculate what is the load applied. You can see between 0 and 1 you are having 5 number of divisions, so each division is equal to 0.2 unit. उस 0 के बाद आ रहा है आपका 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, then it is coming 1. Now how to calculate what is the load applied? In order to that, first we have to check what is the proving ring reading. माने दिस प्रूविंग रिंग रीडिंग जो हमारा है डायल गॉज का रीडिंग है उसको हम कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे. सपोज 0.5 मिलीमीटर पेनिट्रेशन में यहाँ पे आपका दिखा रहा है, सपोज इट इज शोइंग suppose it is showing this value, माने it is I am just trying to show, just 1 minute, just try. Suppose it is showing this one, माने it is equal to how much, just 1 minute, I am trying to focus. Suppose it is showing this value, you can clearly see this is equal to how much, sorry, it is very sensitive. So suppose it is showing this value 9 और 10 के बीच आपका वैल्यू आ रहा है 9.2, 9.4, 9.6, 9.6 में आ रहा है 9.6. उसको हम रीडिंग क्या लिखेंगे? व्हाट विल बी द रीडिंग? द रीडिंग विल बी, यू कैन सी, रीडिंग विल बी 9.6 into 5. Each unit, this unit should be multiplied by 5 to get the dial gauge reading. So this becomes 48.0. The dial gauge reading at 0.5 millimeter penetration is 48.0. So after applying the load of this loading machine whose capacity is 5000 kg, once we apply the load at the rate of 1.25 millimeter per minute penetration, we will be checking the entire reading one by one along with the dial gauge reading penetration and finding out the corresponding dial gauge of the load applied.